So let me ask you, when you think about goals that you have for your life or desires that you have for your life or things that you go after, do you feel like self-discipline is a regular practice of yours? Self-discipline is the ability to not only control your weaknesses, but your feelings as well. It is total self-control, and ultimately it's extremely life-changing. Self-discipline is the key to finding true success in your life. And without it, you won't have the success that you desire. Think about it. As children, if you have children, or maybe when you were a child, your parents taught you self-discipline. If you were in the grocery store, they didn't expect you to pick up a candy bar and eat it just because it was in front of your face. You had to be more disciplined and control yourself and respond appropriately. And while we all learn that as children and we teach it to our own children, unfortunately, when we become adults, we stop implementing self-discipline as a regular practice in our life. And therefore, it has a negative outcome on our success. So let's talk about why self-discipline is so important. Self-discipline helps you to ignore current pleasures and in turn receive the future rewards. Ultimately, all of those things that we want in the moment feel good temporarily, but those long-term benefits aren't as beneficial. And so when we are able to discipline ourselves enough to wait, this is the highest form of self-love. We remind ourselves that we are valuable, that the things that we want in the future are more important than these quick passing pleasures. And so implementing self-discipline not only gives you that self-love, but it allows you to set yourself up for success in the future instead of in the temporary present so that you are doing better in the end. Self-discipline also gives you the focus you need. Without discipline, you're kind of just going after life all willy-nilly with no expectations and no guide. When you have self-discipline and you let yourself know to remain in certain boundaries, then you're allowing yourself to stay hyper-focused on the things that are most important and in turn, setting yourself up for success. Self-discipline is something that we should all be implementing within our life, but unfortunately, not a lot of people see the value or the benefit. True discipline knows no obstacle. And so when you're implementing self-discipline into your life, no obstacle will knock you down, no obstacle will be in your way, and you'll be able to go after your success unapologetically. So comment below and let me know how you are going to start implementing more self-discipline in your life. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I will chat with you guys later.